Okay. Okay, so hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glinda and here on my channel I talk about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And on today's video I just want to show you guys a haul video. Not too big, not too much going on, but a few pieces that I have got that I'm very excited about. My birthday was a few days ago, so this is like my birthday haul. I am working on organizing my home a little bit better. I always do like spring cleaning, like every 2 seasons I clean out stuff like me and my daughter don't wear, stuff we don't use, paperwork, cords, just cleaning out stuff. But I wasn't organizing it like I wanted to. So I got some things for my birthday from my mom, some organizers, and I don't have them in my hand, but I am going to put a picture up here. So she got me my spice container. So you know the things that are going viral on TikTok where you put the spices in the little jars and they have like different kind of lids, black, white, plastic, acrylic lids, and I got the wooden ones, which my mom knew I wanted the wooden ones. I'm so excited to have them. I am going to make a video on showing you guys how I do that. So I did get these are from Amazon. All of the home stuff is from Amazon. My mom did give me something else, she said, but it's coming later and she didn't want to tell me what it was. If I get it before I post this video, I will add it in. If not, just stay tuned to my TikTok and I'll show you guys probably on there. So I did go ahead and bring those home. I'm so excited. Like I said, my mom got these spice containers for me from Amazon. They have the wooden lids. The bottom is glass or some kind of hard plastic, but it's not plastic. I think, yeah, they are glass. They are glass. And then it have all the different kinds of fonts and writing that you can change it to. I'm probably going to do a recording of it and then add it in the video. If not, I am going to post a picture of the containers and also all the different lettings. I am going to find it on Amazon so I can show you guys, and I'm going to link everything that I can down below from the haul video. I'll link that down below. So this is the first thing that I got for my birthday, and then my mom also got me some containers to put like food in, storage, do kind of like meal prep, and those are glass. We were using like the plastic ones, but of course we learned that those are not good, and then they just wear off over time. And you guys know that I'm trying to stick to like quality of anything in my home, so these containers are glass as well. They come in different sizes, and I think the lids are wood as well. Again, I am going to put a picture so you guys will be able to see it. I think the lids, yes, they are wood. Yeah, are they wood? Yeah, the lids are wood on these as well. So it just goes with my whole thing that I'm trying to bring out in my home, just little by little. And I will say, you guys, take your time when you're changing up things. Like, take your time, y'all. Oh my god, it just does something to me. Okay, and I went to Sephora. I did go ahead and shop at Sephora. And when I say I don't shop at Sephora, I don't shop there. Not because I'm not like, people think you're not into higher end products or something like that. But I find my high end products on the specific brand's website because I am a pro member on a lot of brands' websites. But even those brands, I don't really shop it like that because I'm a pro member. I have to order online, so I don't normally do it, but I am a pro member, and I take being a pro member very serious because I worked hard for my cosmetology license. Okay, so that's kind of why I don't. And if a brand is not pro friendly, then I have to go into the store. So most of the things that I like are more on a drugstore end, higher end drugstore. And I love Ulta. I just love how it looks. I love how bright it is. A lot of people don't like Ulta, but I do. But anyway, I went to Sephora, and I really went in there because I've been popping in and out, just looking at products, seeing stuff that I see on TikTok. But I'm intentionally shopping from here on out in my life, not just this year. So I go in, no wallet, no expectation to buy. I'm literally just looking to see, like, testing out products, maybe, you know what I'm saying, seeing how the product look, reading the ingredients for myself and stuff like that, and also scanning I think it's called Yuka, my Yuka app, to see if the product is friendly as well for my skin, because I don't want nothing to burn me or anything like that, girl. So I do go in there and just test out things, and I will suggest you guys to do the same. But I went in Sephora because it was my birthday, and they sent me a $10 coupon that I didn't get to use, but I did get a free product for my birthday. So I'm going to use a $10 coupon in the next week or so, and then I'll get something else from Sephora that I've been wanting that's on my list, because I have a list of things that I want that I'm not just gonna go in there and just splurge out. No. So I went into Sephora, and the first things that I got were two masks. Me and my daughter is gonna do some face masks. All face masks are not face masks that do something different to your skin, so I don't really like wasting my money just to say I have on a mask. Like, it needs to work, and I do know that these do they're good. So I got the matcha tea face mask. I got 2 of these, and me and my daughter are gonna try these tomorrow. These were like $3.50, I think. Again, you guys, I'm gonna leave everything down below. And then I've been seeing these products all over TikTok, and I wanted to try them. And I'm seeing them from people who I listen to when it comes to makeup. It's some girls on TikTok that really know what they're talking about, and I, like I said, I listen. So I went in there and I got the One Size translucent powder. I do have it on today. I do like it, but I'm still not sure. And I'm not sure because I really think I want to change my concealer and maybe try the One Size concealer with the powder, because I do think that when you try all of the brand's products together, that's skincare, makeup, it does work differently for you to know if you can wear it with other products, because the ingredients are different, you know what I mean? So I do like this, but I am going to go ahead and get the concealer to go with this to see if I like this with the concealer. I also wanted to try Huda Beauty, but I've been seeing a lot of people like this a little bit more, so I went ahead and got this translucent powder. And then I got the Cheek Clapper 3D blush trio in Rich Beach, and I got this because y'all, and I got this on today, and I know y'all can see like this blush color here on my eye, and I just brung it around. And it's a girl on TikTok. I hope I can find her and put her on the screen, but she brought this technique to my attention. I don't know if she's the originator, but I think she is, of sweeping your blush from your eye as eyeshadow and just bringing it around. Girl, I do have a video using this on TikTok because I did use it today. Baby, when I tell you this is what I'm going to be wearing all spring and summer, please don't ask me what I'm wearing, because it's going to be this. It may be a different color blush, but it's going to give this look. Even if I add eyeshadow, it's probably going to be a dark brown or a smoky eye with this technique of the blush first, and then do my smoke. Y'all, this palette is everything. It's so pigmented. I feel like you can even use the cream on your lips, because it's cream, matte, and then a sheen. This is all, when I tell you, Patrick Star did his thing when it comes to this trio palette. Girl, go to bed. I am not a Torrid shopper, but when I go in there, it's for something literally specific, or they have a sale. So when I went to Torrid, I think they have great denim. I think the denim is a little high as far as price, but I feel like I don't know. I'm gonna keep going though, just to see what they have, maybe try out more certain things. I think they have great leggings and great tights. That's what I've really been getting from them. But I had a coupon So I normally don't even shop like birthday coupons. I really don't even pay my email any attention for that, and I feel like that's a problem that we have, some of us. But girl, them emails was coming in yesterday and I was already out, and I said I'm going to all the stores, and they were all literally around each other. So I was driving a little bit, getting out, walking, coming back to the car, driving around this corner, girl, at the mall, and I went in there. I had $10 off for my birthday. They had a sale, and I went in there, girl, and let me show y'all what I got, girl. I am gonna have a video too, but girl, this coat, it was already on sale for like 30, I think she said $32 or $35. It was already on sale, and then I had a $10 coupon, so my total was $22 for this coat. And Torrid is not cheap, so I know this coat had to be $100 and something. It had to be like original, and I got it for $22. That's when I was like, maybe I need to just pop in here. They have a lot of floral print, a lot of checkerboard, a lot of tie-dye, a lot of little, like, it's just a lot of print. It was just like a lot of color. It wasn't any solid colors, and that's what I wanted to see more, especially on the sale rack. But I feel like if I go in there with time and just look through some stuff, I probably can find some stuff. But girl, this I wasn't gonna probably find on sale like this. And I got this coat because I am going into more of a minimalist, kind of on that spectrum, but in neutral. I just love the neutral look, with pops of color. Like, my wardrobe is not going to be filled with color, y'all. I'm sorry, because again, my wardrobe is going to be with intention, and it's not going to be like prints and stuff. But a coat, a blazer, that is where my color, my shoes and my purses are gonna pop in. That's the colors, okay? This coat was inspired by Tanika B. Y'all know I love her. I give examples of her clothes in a lot of my videos, and baby, this coat, it screams Tanika. It screams like, and she always say she's tired of the neutral girl. She says that in a lot of her videos, like, where's the color? So I am gonna wear color, but if I wear it, it's gonna be something like this. The print, if it's a print, it has to make sense. And for me, I can wear this a lot of different ways, a lot of different things. I can do this fuchsia color here, you know, a monochromatic look. This navy, I can do this green. So this is why I like this. I'm going to be getting a lot more color coats in the summertime. I'm going to be doing hauls, and y'all are going to be seeing coats. I'm sorry, because the coats is really going to give me and my looks the thing. Like, this coat, girl, I put it on. As y'all can see on the video, I put this thing on, and my sister was like, you have to get it. And she's a fashion girl, but she normally don't, you know, she'll say like, oh yeah, that's cute, but she don't never say like, girl, you gotta get this coat. This a bad coat, okay? Okay, and then I went to H&M. I went to H&M first because my sister gave me a gift card to H&M. So I went to H&M to go spend that good gift card, and y'all, I spent my gift card, and then I got some money off for my birthday. You guys, I feel like on your birthday, like people say on Christmas, that's when you ask so you can start, you know, maybe changing your wardrobe. The holidays and your birthdays, ask for gift cards, and then you'll be able to use your gift card and not your own money. And also, you're going to get a discount because it's your birthday. So at H&M, I spent only $20 as well. I'm talking about me. So I got this basic. I got on this same tank now. I got it in white. I got it in cream. These tanks come in handy, and I wanted this green color just for the spring. And hopefully I can find some like green trousers, or I want to wear like a linen two-piece suit with this color and some nice loafers or mules or something like that. So I just got this basic top. And when I shop at H&M, I get a 2X. And y'all, it fit, girl. I found this. Do you see this cut in his neck? Do you see that? But it's a very bright green. Like this one I have on is kind of like a money green. Oh, y'all, this is a 2X. This is a 2. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all think these hips can get in here? It look like it can't, but it can. Okay. So, girl, stretch. The stretch is real. And I wasn't able to try this on, but y'all, trust me, I am going to do maybe a try-on video, not a try-on, but an outfit of the day. When it get to 60 degrees, I will be wearing this with a nice sweater and some sneakers. And then in the summer, I'm going to wear this with some mules and a nice... I need H&M to come out with this in more colors. Okay? That's what I need for y'all to do. Okay? This is impeccable. It's heavy. It's structured good. It gives me the look of Pockets and Politics and Fashion dress that she got from Hanifa, I think. It's giving kind of like a dupe for it. I know it ain't it. You know, I know it ain't it. Okay? I know it ain't it. But this is giving like a dupe. And oh my god, I also got from H&M these 2 hats. I just feel like with my short bob, and then when I wear clip-ins with like even a dressier look or like a casual but like with a dress, these 2 hats are gonna be so cute. These were, one was $10.99 and this one was $6.99. Y'all, I love these. I got some looks in mind. My sister inspired me to get this hat because she wears hats and she looks absolutely adorable. And then my sister also, she was like, if God bless her and she get rich, I just know she gonna take care of me. Okay? That's what she showed me this birthday. If God make her rich, she gonna take care of me. She gonna have me right. Okay? Because she bought me some New Balance. You guys, this is like the step. I'm stepping into what I'm trying to do this year with my fashion. And these shoes here. Good. They fit good. They were so comfortable. I did wear them. They were so comfortable. So comfy. They are just so cute. It's the step in like a sneaker. But like I will wear those sneakers with a dress like this, but in a different color, like a very soft gray, almost white, girl. But like you guys saw here, I wore it with some jeans. I love New Balance and I want another pair. And a lot of my shoes this year, when I get more tennis shoes, sneakers, they're gonna be in like pastel colors. Oh, I'm just in love. Or it's gonna be like in this tone, like this dark blue or this green. I've been liking those. I don't like in the middle too much. I like either really rich, bold navy blue, this army green color, or I like really light pastel. But pastel is more what I'm going towards because it's just going with the vibe that I'm trying to have. So that is everything that I got for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. I'm happy with my purchases. I'm happy with everything that I got. Had a great birthday. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Sunset shit done changed ever since we was on